Hi Fitfam, I hope everyone is feeling fit today. So I get this question a lot. Is it okay to exercise during my period, or what are the best exercises to do during my period? And the answer is yes. First of all, it is important to know that unlike men, our motivation to work out as women is highly affected by our hormones, the hormonal changes. And if you would like to know how they do affect our motivation to work out, please check out that video that is appearing in the video cards above. Otherwise, if you're feeling well during your periods, there's no reason why you should not be working out, especially if you've been fit throughout the entire time. And the benefits of exercising during your periods include: number one, it helps to improve moods. You know, periods are associated with mood swings, but it is not supposed to be like that all the time. Exercising helps to release endorphins and serotonins, which help to uplift your brain and your moods. Number two, it helps to relieve cramps, headaches, and other PMS symptoms because it helps to promote blood circulation and flow in the body. Number three, it will help you sleep much better because it relaxes your body. And number four, according to a study in Umeå University in Sweden, exercising, especially the first days of your periods, can help boost and enhance your body performance. So unless you are feeling unwell, you have all the reasons to exercise even during that time of the month. However, it is very important to avoid high impact exercises, especially those that involve jumping and landing on your feet and twisting your body, because during that time of the month, the joints, especially the knee area, are very prone to injury. And that is just about it for today, guys. Don't forget to check out my new period workout, which is appearing in the video cards above. Don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up and a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and families on social media. Invite them to come on over and join us in keeping our bodies fit for health. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family on here. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye.